Founded in 1988, Ike's Sporting Goods has grown from a small-town store to a massive indoor athletic facility with locations in Plainfield, Pole City, and now Lamont. Family-owned and operated for over 20 years, Ike's Sports takes great pride in the outstanding relationships we share with our customers. Our state-of-the-art sports complex at our Plainfield location is home to 6 indoor batting cages, a 9,500 square foot multi-purpose gymnasium, and a brand new pitching tunnel for both baseball and softball players. We also feature a fully stocked retail store and local area spirit store with official schoolwear from all major Plainfield high schools. Whether you're looking for somewhere to improve your skills or simply play the game you love, Ike's Sports has everything you can ask for and more. Ike's Sports, count on us when quality really matters. Exceptional service is our standard.